Now let's see the topologies of doors and window profiles. This is the frame, vent, sash or vent, same, and mullion. Transom. Now how we will differentiate the profiles, that is, here we have two types of profile, that is Eurogroove profiles and non-Eurogroove profiles. Another is slot for the screws where we can able to slotting. Another is groove for the gaskets, how much slot we can do in the profiles for the gasket applications. So here we have some standard dimensions to identify the Eurogroove and non-Eurogroove profiles. This is the Eurogroove profile and the standard dimensions for it is 15 mm inner side groove for the frame and 20 mm outer side for the groove in the frame. 14 mm inner side of the groove of the sash and 18 mm outer size of the groove of the sash. And this is the standardization of the non-Eurogroove. So this is the difference between, you can see here, non-Eurogroove and the different non-Eurogroove profiles are coming. Sometimes you can get the wider depth, sometimes you can get the smaller depth, sometimes you can get the less number of legs, sometimes you will get the more than one or two numbers of legs. Now let's see how we can differentiate the casements sections and the sliding section. These are the casement sections. You can say L-shaped section is the casement section and sliding section is always U-shaped. So U-shaped sections, one U is means the single track, 2U means the double track, and this two track here is two track, but the track here and here only for the glass, and this is for the mesh. And this is the three track. At the three glass track will be there. This is the casement sashes. You can say the Z profiles, and this is the T profiles. So Z profiles is also coming for the casement sashes. Here you can see the T profile, Z profiles, and another kind of T profiles. These are the transom, which will be the horizontal members. Now let's see what is the meaning for outward opening and the inward opening. In inward opening, the sash will be inside and the frame will be overlap the sash from the outer side. Here you can see the sash will be outside and the frame will be overlap the sash from the inside area. And now you can open the window from this side, and here you can open the window from the inside. Here is the opening. These are the sliding sash, and this is the space for the roller combination. Sliding 2 track 2 sash with the fly screen. So here we can see the fly screen, and this is the 2 track sash. Now let us see the aluminium hardware. This handle is called as a Cockspur handle. This handle is called as a multi-point locking handle. This is the detachable handle, and this is also a 2-point locking handle. This is our tower bolt, and this is sliding handles for sliding doors and windows. This is butt hinges for the doors, These are the friction hinges and these are the rollers. So here is the full hardware which we need to apply according to the profiles and according to the requirements of the clients. So this is the UPVC hardwares. So you can see the spagnolateral handles. This is the cockspur handles. This is the double handle for the doors. Mortise handles with the key, pop handle, touch locks, cylinders, friction hinges, integrated locks, rollers, cylinders, crescent locks, butt hinges with the 3 dimensions, double rollers, SPACs. These are the some UPVC hardwares. So now welcome to the Alu Alpha, that is our Portugal supplier. Alu Alpha is a world-class hardware for aluminium profiles manufacturing, ISO standardized, well known worldwide for the quality and product innovations. It's providing the rail shade for the hardware. So product he synchronized in the way of single point locking system, 2-point locking system, multi-point locking system, cockspur and multi-point locking handles for the casements windows, sliding locks and associate hardware for the sliding windows and doors, mortise handles and lock for the casement doors, butt hinges for the casement windows and doors, pivot hinges for the horizontal and vertical pivot windows, locking and specialized handle for the facade vents, tilt and turn kits or tilt and turn windows.